Welcome to Arabic Dictionary, your online guide to Arabic slang. A foreigner is no longer foreign when you understand their language. Show us in the comments below how you can use today's word in your own sentence for a chance to win a free cool Arabic Dictionary t-shirt. Today's word is Muzzeh. Muzzeh. Muzzeh is an Arabic slang word that means a hot chick, a sexy woman, or a babe. It's generally used by young men as they describe their encounter with a Muzzeh, or if they're talking about a celebrity crush, an actress, or a model. Occasionally, girls can describe their male crush as a Muzzeh or a Muzz.
Jimmy, don't forget your sandwich.
Dude, your mom is such a Muzzeh. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell us in the comments if there are words you'd like us to feature next. Want to have a cool t-shirt with today's word and help a refugee? Today's word is available on t-shirts, mugs, and other cool products, and part of the proceeds will be donated to refugee assistance charities. Check out the links in our bio or in the description below.